Hello clickers, my name is Maria Sandorova and I am responsible for product development at Inphinity. One of our unique products is Inphinity Forms, natively integrated write-back extension to your ClickSense app. It allows you to enter your own data, assign responsibilities, rate specific dimensions, and so on directly where the data is, in the ClickSense app. What you can see here is Inphinity Forms general object. It enables you to enter your data in this table form. Having a big table like this can be helpful when you need to see the whole context about your team. You maybe need to compare different team members visually to be able to find the best Java developer you have in team or something like that. On the other hand, there are many use cases when you just need to see data about one specific employee and edit this data. As you can see, when I edit something, I have the row highlighted during the scrolling. But still, it's not the best way how to be focused on one employee. Single record view is. Let me show you what it is. I will go to edit mode because that's the way where all click objects are customized. Open appearance section in properties panel, and here there is a section single record view. I have two different options here. I can allow single record view for each row within the table, or I can set the single record view a default for new rows. So let's try it. When I am about to edit data about Judy, I can simply click on this new button, and all information about Judy are now right here and ready to be updated. There are two different designs of this object. First one is standard, where each cell is in a new row, and the second one is minimalistic. Right now, the structure of this data is automatically calculated, but we can customize it. The way how the structure of minimalistic design of single record is customized is very intuitive. And after watching this short video, you will be able to do it quickly on your own. In Forms configuration section, where settings of editable fields are located, we have here also new attribute wrap in single record view. When I check it, in the minimalistic design of single record view, this specific field will be used for new row. And this setting is available on each field. So I can do the same with leadership. Here are soft skills, okay. Now some developer skills. So again, wrap in single record view. ClickSense certificates. New row. And we can add CV as well as agreement to a new row too. As you can see, specific fields was used to define a new row. But there are some fields I expect to be together with, for example, languages in the same row, but they didn't have enough space here. Obviously, I should somehow change width of this window. And that's exactly what we do. In this single record view section in properties panel, we have two different attributes for definition single record window width. First one is for standard design and the second one is for minimalistic design. For definition of this width, you can use absolute numbers in pixels, or you can use also a percentage. As you can see in this standard record view, there is much more space right now, and in minimalistic design as well. And again, what I mentioned in many of my videos, because I'm really excited about it, is the possibility to define almost all parameters and attributes as the result of expression. So in this case, you don't need to define these values specifically, but it can be managed via expression, it can be managed via variable, and it's only up to your creativity how you will use these parameters. So this was the definition of the structure of single record view. But I have here also another parameters that are very well known to Click developers, and it's the possibility to add title, subtitle, footnote. You can choose whether the default style, the first one you will see after clicking on the button, should be standard or minimalistic. And you can also change text alignment. The last attribute here will be very appreciated by some of our customers because they really like to change colors. So as you can see, I have here the possibility to change the background color, and choose a different color for header and footer. As you probably noticed, during all these changes I'm doing in the Properties panel, my changes are still here and waiting for me to be approved or to be cleared. So all these views, single record view in different designs, as well as table structure of forms general, are integrated, and your own changes are still here. The last but not least customization that's available when it comes to single record view is the possibility to set it as a default view for new rows. So when the possibility to add new row is allowed and the user click the button, the way how he or she should enter data about this new row can be a single record view by default. I really like this feature, and I can imagine many different use cases when the single record view is helpful. So I really hope you agree with me and you find this video useful and creative. Hear you soon, guys, and until then, enjoy forms.